Welcome to my channel for another makeup tutorial. First, I'm using the primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal for my face. Next, I'm using this Adventure Makeup Concealer. Yeah, Pro Blend Concealer. I think it's in the shade Nude 02. Next, I'm using this cream bronzer from L'Oreal Makeup to contour my cheek. Sorry. Then I'm also using that the same bronzer to contour my nose. Next, I'm using this cream blush from L'Oreal Makeup as well for my cheek. And I'm blending everything at once. First, I'm blending the concealer. Then the blush. Next, I'm going with a beauty blender to blend everything together. Next, I'm using this powder palette from Tara Makeup to set my concealer. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set a loose powder, sorry, not a setting powder. A loose powder. Cleaning up the nose contour. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. Forgot to, sorry. I'm using a brown shade first for my crease. A reddish brown shade. Then next, I'm using a dark, something like, I'm using a dark shade for the outer crease. Next, for my lid, I'm using a purple shade for my lid, for my eyelid. Next, I'm using a little purple glitter shadow just to make the eyes pop. I'm using that the same purple shade I use on my eyelid for my lower lash line, blending it out with the brown I use on my crease. Next, I'm using this blush from Milani Makeup. Next, I'm setting my face with this hydrating setting spray from Maya Organic. Next is lips. I'm using this lip liner from V Beauty to line my lips. And I'm using this classic makeup liquid matte stain for my lips and a clear gloss from classic makeup as well. That is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.